after we place the title block or any block, we may want to change the block attributes, values. There's two ways of doing it, or more, but I'm just going to cover two of them. One way is to double click on the block annotation, and that'll open up the enhanced attribute editor, where you can then change the values in the box. And you can pick which value you want to change and enter in the new value. You can also do this in the AutoCAD properties. And if I select the block, down below here will be each of the block annotation values where you can click in the cell and change the value. If I double click on the annotation, there's also another concept called fields. Maybe I want my field to always, or my date to always be the current date. I can change that by right-clicking and choosing Insert Field. This will open up a dialog box where I can leverage fields to put in additional formulas. I could do a create date, the date that this was formed. I could also go to date and then pick the date format that I want it to be. So I'm going to do date, month, and year and hit OK. And then hit OK. If I do RE and do regen, it's going to give me the date as a day, month, year. A little bit European. I think maybe my date settings are a little bit off. But if you want to modify the fields, you can right click and choose Edit Field, and then you can pick the style that you want. So it looks like I needed to pick a different one. Month, day, year. And I can see it's updated. And now I can see the date's updated to be the value that I want it to be. And so that's how we can edit the block annotation and create fields.